Hi, Babalo. We are recapping the sentences for E. Remember, an E and an A living together in the same house as a family can sound like E, like in the word eat. But the same two letters can sound like A, like in spread, spread. So in green, it sounds like E, but in orange, it sounds like A. Let's go through those sentences again. It is, imp, or ent. Important, to, eat, breakfast, breakfast, every, morning, morning. My, granny, enjoys, hot, cup, off, eat. My, bracelet, is, made, out, off, beads. My, teacher, is, very, kind. I spread, butter, on, my, bread. I bumped, my head, so hard. Okay, so that should help you go through those sentences. The next sound we are going to work on is A, created by a and a y together, an A and a Y together, A.